Hey guys, it's Laurel and Pierre with Blue Walks on the Run, and we're going to show you a Sunset Trail Super Lite travel trailer 253 RB. So stick around because we're going to show you inside.
Welcome to the Keystone world. Super Lights. Electric jack in the front. Your propane tank, your battery will be in that rack in the back. Typical travel trailer, simple, nice. Nice lights inside I can see they put the strip lights, so you have the lights in there. Yep, there's a lot of room in there. Little fiberglass paint with decals, little 3-step slipper, grab handle, simple unit, simple system. You're looking at 2 axles of 3,500 pounds rated and a 14-inch tire. So little, low to the ground, so it's nice and easy to carry and to pull. So propane tank, believe me, there's no electrical on this. That is definite, so it's just propane. This is the cool feature. See, the awning is the whole length of the trailer, almost just for the front end. But then in here, this is the vacation weekend thing that is kind of cool. So you come up to this and you open, the magic just happens. Boom, ooh, there you go.
Nice.
Get your people
outside,
get your
kitchen.
Beer, get your wine, get your people, go, whatever. It's a grill that's supposed to
He doesn't cook often, so see, he doesn't know how to open the grill.
So I'm sure it comes out somehow. Sink, fridge, kind of nice fridge, well, background, actually. So that's a nice feature, nice feature. So extendable, as you can see, there's 4 extensions on this unit, which is kind of a nice feature. Also, bumper in the back for your own 30 amp system. Your flush valley keys are right down there. So slide out, frame window. So basic unit, nice, basic, simple. I think it weighs only 5,700 pounds or so. Let me check on this. Yeah, 5,682 pounds dry weight, so that is kind of cool and light. So that is a nice rig for somebody who's got a half-ton pickup and just wants to weekend. It is kind of nice and nice and cool. So let's have Laurel go inside.
If you're enjoying this video so far, we invite you to subscribe, ring that bell, so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. So come on in, let's check out this travel trailer. Someone is going to be really happy weekend camping in this. So first of all, you've got your queen bed. You've got a lot of storage on both sides and on top and underneath the bed also. So there's quite a bit of storage in there. But I think my favorite piece of storage area, is right here. It's like a little walk-in cubby hole. Put your shoes, your boots, your jackets, which is great. You can keep everything nice and neat and clean. You've got your ripcord recliners over here, which are really soft. I just sat in them. Very comfortable, looking straight ahead at your entertainment, 40-inch television, and you've got your storage above, you've got storage below, and coming into the kitchen, you've got this refrigerator, nice latch on the side here.
12-volt refrigerator.
It's a Norcold.
Norcold, electrical, and propane.
You've got a 3-burner stove, Furion, and also your High Point microwave oven. And again, a nice big basin sink.
Backsplash.
Isn't that beautiful? I love that. Nice storage above. And for the kids or just a teenager, I don't know, you can take this table, turn it down into a bed. So a nice little extra spot for someone that's coming over. What's nice too, they've also gone with the flush. So it's not rug, but it's nice and flush to the flooring, which makes it a lot easier to clean, in my opinion. And Pierre, I'll let you go into the bathroom. They've got a nice large shower, glass doors, round, a lot of storage off to your right, which is amazing to put all of your your sheets, your towels, and whatever extra stuff you want to store.
Oh no, look at this.
That's huge. That's a huge cubby area right there. So they really have utilized all the storage in this unit.
Oh, that's the dinette outside. Oh, that's cool. So you vent right in the grill.
So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination. It's all about the journey.